Hello, hello. Justin, how's it going? Gear Glass, how are you doing? Twitch was twitching? That sounds a lot like Twitch. How's everybody doing? Welcome in. Good evening, good morning. Playing Alpine Lake and watching a Twitch dev who made it. That's weird. I'm doing all right. I'm doing all right. I'm actually, I did a thing. I got a second coffee today, and I am buzzing. I am wired as fuck. Just from dropping that F-bomb so early in the stream, you know. I'm buzzed. Buzzed on caffeine. I shouldn't have got that second coffee, but the coffee place I go to when I buy beans, they're like, "Hey, do you want a free coffee?" And today I was like, "It's so hot. Just yeah, give me an iced coffee." And then now I'm like, yeah. We'll see how this goes. Straight buzzing, yeah. You have any cookies in the cookie jar today? No cookies today. Actually, my snack drawer, my snack drawer is out of control. Like there's so many different snacks that anytime I see one in the store and I'm like, "Ooh, that looks interesting." I buy it and I can't even close my snack drawer. Like there's just snack I have to like push the snacks down to close the drawer. Chocolates and cookies and marshmallows and just like all these different Japanese snacks. It's crazy. It's crazy. I'm a psycho. And I've just been eating so much of it. Because now I'm just like, all right, I need to make room for more snacks. So I'll eat a lot of snacks just to make room for more snacks. It's a vicious cycle. I can't control myself. Someone help me. All right. Anyway, we got a lot to do. We got a lot to do. I had a weird morning. It wasn't that weird, but it felt good. Like something I think good happened. Gosh damn it, you. Why? What's the matter? What's the matter, Gear? You okay? You seem upset. You want cookies? I don't got any cookies. Got a lot of chocolates. Got a lot of mochis. Yeah, a lot of marshmallows. No cookies. Next time. Warren Corkscrew, how's it going? I'm doing good. How are you? Welcome in. So I implemented a hold to continue. So now I can just hold the button down and I'll just swing this thing forever. But it doesn't work for the sword for some reason. I wonder why. Jules stole my bike. You'll get it back, I promise. I talked to her on my bike and it's overlapping her and now I can't get it. Oh, funny. Because she'll always... She's a... No bullying! Automod said no bullying. That's amazing. So the way the selection system works is NPCs always have priority. So you might not be able to get it back until the next day. And that's what I wanted to work on today, my selection system. That's exactly what I wanted to work on today. I think I need to refactor it before my demo release. People are having trouble with the selectioning. Maybe it's not that important, but maybe it is. I don't know. What do you guys think? Can I release this demo with the selection system as it is? Anyone who's played it, it works. It's not great. sometimes it does things that are unexpected. Sometimes things are unselectable. Right now, if you put a like a sconce, like a wall item, either a painting or like the singing fish, if you put that on the wall and then you put something below the wall, let's say you put an end table below the wall, and then let's say you put a vase on the end table, and then let's say you put a flower in that vase. That means in order to select that sconce, you need to take the flower out of the vase off the table, move the table, and then you can grab the sconce. That's no good. I need to figure out a way to basically show everything in your radius, and then you can like R1, R2, or like R1, L1 to the thing you want. How long would refactoring take? What up, Val? I think a refactor would take a week. I think it would take a week and cause so many bugs and probably delay the demo. Darkwood Dragon, yeah, how's it going? It has been a little bit. How are you doing? Oh my god. Kriastricon, Daku, how's it going? Everybody, welcome in. We're back. How are you? I'm good. I'm good. I'm back too. I had a long weekend. Oh my god. I walked like 10 miles. We don't talk about what's going to be on the show. But yeah, I walked like 10 miles on Sunday and like 8 miles on Saturday, and it's just all over the place. I'm exhausted. And Monday, I didn't move. Monday was a couch day. Maybe more important to get more feedback sooner off the demo. Kilika! Good morning. That's a whole lot of walking. Yeah, we were all over the place. Sounds like a good workout. It was. I love the contrast between making bacon pancakes and this piano Ghibli music. It's jarring. Oh my god, and oh my god. Grumble! Grumble! What is up? Welcome in. How you doing? We just started like 1 second ago. And I'm buzzed. I'm buzzed off caffeine. 19 Curtis, how's it going? Welcome in, Raiders. Yeah, seriously. How's your stream? Welcome in to all the new people. My name is Andrew. I'm working on a game called Alpine Lake. It says Cozy Innkeeper Sim. Grumble of Pugs. Let me get that shout out going. We love Grumble here. Captain Fuzzball means we're right on time. I didn't get to finish my sentence. So I'm like, I had a second coffee today, which I never do. And I'm like over caffeinated. I'm buzzing. I'm buzzing. How'd the rest of your stream go, Grumble? I'm so annoyed. So 2 days ago, I'm like walking in the streets and I check my email and I see, oh, Grumble Pugs goes live. Oh, let me log in real quick to keep my streak going. And then I say that one thing and I didn't even have audio on. I said that one thing and then I bounced. That didn't keep my streak going. I'm back to 1. God damn it. It was actually productive. Nice. Tell me about it. We're gonna watch. First, let's watch my trailer because this is my stream, and then we're gonna watch your trailer. Now let's watch yours first, since we're here. Everyone, make sure to wishlist Megabat. It's looking so freaking good. Man, I can't believe there's a trailer now. I can't even throw shade anymore. You're buzzing like the bees in Megabat. 331, yeah, I am. But I don't explode like those. I don't explode like the Megabat bees. 1 coffee's never enough. Usually 1 coffee is enough for me. Yeah, I just caved. I couldn't not. But yeah, everybody welcome in. I would say I'm twitching. I definitely am twitching. I remember seeing Practical play Megabat. Yeah, Practical and Grumble are they're best friends. Wishlist. Follow. Don't click ignore. I know you just want to go dunk, 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 not even reading these buttons, but make sure not to click the ignore button. Only click the first two. ARF Studios? I didn't know that. What? What is this? What is this? What is ARF Studios? Can I play the demo yet? No. Can't play it yet. Too bad. All right. And to the Raiders, yeah, let's see what I'm doing. This is what I'm working on. To the new people. You have to be there for a certain amount of time, I think. I try to linger for like a minute. I think I eventually close the app and like, whatever. If I lose my streak, I don't care. But you know what? I do care. Basically, I've decided that trying to make things perfect is a waste of time, so I'm just trying to make levels and iterate on them. That's a good idea. Oop, the dog is, she's bark snoring. Or bark dreaming. You can farm. You get a bike. You can pet a dog. You can fish. You can whack things with a sword. You can interact with your own sign. You can deal with Dale. You can stare at them sit at the fire. It's nice. It's cozy. I didn't even get to tell you my news. Like, we got raided and interrupted. So that's what we're doing here. That's what we're doing here. Yeah, so I got an email this morning. I was very excited. I probably shouldn't be this excited, and I definitely shouldn't be telling everybody because it's just gonna fizzle out and become nothing eventually, but I'll say it anyway. Daku, thank you. Oh wait, I didn't have the audio on for Megabat. I'm sorry. Because I don't hear the audio to my trailer, so I assume all trailers lack audio. When I play it, I'm just sitting here in silence. It's very awkward. But I hope everyone clicked that Steam link and wishlisted it anyway. I'll repost it. I'll repost it. Paste. Anyway. Is it the publisher thing? Nah, no publisher. No publisher for Alpine thing. But I did get an email from a festival that I entered like a month and a half ago. I got an email from them, not with an acceptance, but they asked for extra keys. That could mean something, right? Either I'm like on like questionable. Maybe I reached like a finals round, maybe or maybe they all want to laugh at me and they need more keys. Maybe they want to resell the keys after the game comes out, so they just ask for more keys. I think it might be positive. It might be. It would be nice. I've been entering festivals for 1 whole year now. It's been a whole year of entering festivals, and we haven't gotten into one yet. So it'd be nice to get into one. Just make sure to verify emails as people fish for keys and sell them. Yeah, that's true. I mean, the email looked legit. It was from the same email that I... Was it from the same? Oh, God. Oh, God. Let's see. I mean, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. It's the same email that I got a confirmation that said thank you for submitting. It's the same email. It's Jay. Jay, what's up? Good morning to you. How are you? Sometimes they want to play test it to test the marketability as part of their screening process. I also agree with this. Yeah, no, it's legit. It's legit. I don't know. I shouldn't get too excited about it. It's possible that we just don't make it, but it's okay. We're gonna release the demo anyway. So I gotta write all this down. I'm like all hyped up, buzzed on caffeine. Disclaimer. Do you think you'll ever port it to console? I'd love to. I've been making this with controller in mind first. And my goal is get on Switch, get on PlayStation. I applied for the Xbox Indie. I applied to be an Xbox Indie game, but I never heard back from them. Or maybe, oh, wait. I think I have to log into the portal and finish the application. I don't think I finished the application. But I don't care about the Xbox Indie Store for some reason. It doesn't seem that big to me. Hope it works out. Yeah, I hope it works out too. Not too shabby. Hope you're well. I'm doing good. I'm doing good. I'm doing as good as one can do. Definitely a positive step. Yeah, it's good. You know, I feel like I've been getting traction lately. Just little baby steps, you know? A little bit more traction on my Twitter posts, a little bit more traction on YouTube. Just overall, a little bit more wish lists every night. My average wish lists have gone from 3 to 4 now to like 5 to 15. So that's good. That's a big jump. We're almost at 2,000. This is the thing we did last. Melissa's Diner. It looks pretty good. I got stuff in all the windows. All the windows now have stuff. This is just random junk, but whatever. Looks like a store at least. How does this look? This is looking good. She's kind of blocking her plants, but looks all right. Kind of eepy, so I'm going to lurk just and listen. Yeah, go for it, Gear Glass. Thank you for the lurk. So glad I was there for that. Yeah, you were there for that. This came out nice. You know, there's one thing that I haven't done yet. I haven't made the interiors to their homes. I don't think I want to. Their homes are private. But I might make them go in their homes. Like I might make a home, a zone that is a home, and then just have them hang out there. So right now they just stand outside their house all night. They need to go inside. Yeah. Have NPCs go in their homes and be unavailable at night. So I was watching Beegs play on Sunday, and he had a lot of trouble with the controls. Now, I'm pretty sure he hasn't played Stardew Valley or any of the other cozy games which have similar controls, but he was getting really messed up, and I need to fix this. It's all part of the selection system. Right before you raided, Grumble, we're talking about whether or not I should refactor like the selection system. Also, this has always been bothering me, this staircase here. You can ride your bike up the staircase, and there's no handrails, and you can even go behind the staircase, and there's something back there. It's just kind of stupid. Doesn't make any sense. I haven't really played cozy games before yours. Maybe 5 minutes of Stardew. I mean, Stardew has kind of been my main reference, and people have been telling me don't reference Stardew, it has terrible controls. I'm just like, well, still. I just noticed your Twitter account follower count has risen. Hopefully it reaches 500 by the time the demo's released. Yeah, I had a couple of decent posts that got me some followers. Some. Slow growth. If anyone wants to comment or like my latest thing, please go for it. Oh wait, that wasn't it. That wasn't it. Not that one. What was my latest one? Oh, this one. Yeah, this one. I just quoted a post. Thank you, Jay. The hotbar at the bottom reminds me of Minecraft. Building is easier than Minecraft, in my opinion. Yeah, it's supposed to be just be easy. And I guess Stardew referenced Minecraft when they made their hotbar. But the hotbars are pretty generic. They're pretty standard. Okay, what's on the agenda today? What's on the agenda today? Let's bring up the I gotta bring up my roadmap. GitHub. Alpine Lake roadmap. Projects. Roadmap. Okay. So we have our roadmap, right? Let's zoom out a little. And here we are. I wanted to release the demo in how many weeks? Not many. Not many weeks until I wanted to release. Let's see what we've done so far. Caves and biomes. Is there anything that I haven't done? No, well, you can still call it Twitter. Definitely still call it Twitter. So the visitor center, we did that. We did this. Let's what didn't we do? Did I finish the visitor center? Not really. I don't think I gave rewards for the different things. Let's see. Finish giving rewards. Finish giving rewards for visitors center. Citizens. Dialogues, story quests, economy value. So this I kind of like ignored. I basically once you finish the intro quests, the economy goes away. So that kind of ruins this and makes me not need to do it. Guests, hotspots, dialogue, rewards, locations. So there's something I wanted to do that I was inspired by Adam C. Eunice to do. Basically, the whole progression of the game is like receiving items, right? And the items upgrade your inn. And I reward items all over the place. I never really know. I never remember exactly where I give all these items. So I feel like I need a tool that crawls through the entire game, through every scene, through every scriptable object, and find every instance where I give items to the player. And I need to be able to look at that at a glance. I need to know, like, this is where I get this item, so I don't double it up by accident. It's getting... I wonder how other people handle this. Oh, Daku, and also you said map. I do need to redo the map. I made it in, like, Incarnate. I don't know if anyone knows that tool, but it's from, like, an old iteration of what the map was. Ugh, god damn it. This is killing me. There's a festival that I didn't get into that I keep seeing these like celebratory posts. Oh, I got into this festival. It's like, I'm so happy for you. That's wonderful. God damn it. I guess you or someone could record playing the alpha. If you need certain areas recorded, then let them know. So you can know what instances or variables could occur. You mean like where the rewards come from? Well, I was gonna write a tool that literally I was gonna write an editor tool that a window that basically was like scan entire project for rewards and tell me where they come from. Because there's different places where I give items. All I need to do is iterate through all of those things and then just make a little list. And that would probably be the best thing to do. Like, I need to scrub through every dialogue to see if there's an event that is a give gift event. I need to scrub through every letter, like every letter in the game, to see if there's a what's it called? Like a gift in a letter, stuff like that. Also, did I see a mention of possible publisher? No, there's no publisher. No, we were talking about earlier. I got an email of a festival that asked for more keys, which may or may not be a good thing. Should we start work? Should we start working? Do I know what I'm working on yet? No, I don't know what I'm working on yet. You know what? It's not a good idea. Chugging a second coffee. Not a good idea. You get all the energy, but none of the focus. Should I play games as reference? Like, is it too late for that? Because I've been, people have told me to play Dinkum and Story of Seasons, and I've been wanting to look at those. Maybe now's not the time. So yeah, how many days is left between... So we have 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Yeah, 3 weeks until I wanted to release the demo. So maybe I reconfigure this. Playing games for reference is useful. I also will look at the wikis for reference, for referencing games to see how they do things in more detail. Yeah, I've been referencing the Stardew wiki and the Animal Crossing wiki and My Time in Portia wiki, just for how they like delineate the different types of things and how you can really see the game loop when you literally just by seeing what links to other things. Like, oh, this item links to this activity links to this other thing, and you just see the loop. You can follow it. Me who drinks 4 to 5 coffees a day, that's so much. I can't do it. Yeah, 2, and I'm just, yeah, no bueno. I need to just start a task and focus on it. And that task is going to be, I don't know yet. I did write a ton of dialogue. My wife helped me write a bunch of dialogue. Maybe I should just start populating it into the characters. So I have all this dialogue I need to enter. So I want to do that. Wiki's layout system's pretty well for most games. Yeah. It is. I feel like I need to make my own wiki to better understand my own game loop, because I started with this dialogue thing, right? And then I started giving rewards in the dialogue. So I'm like, okay, let me actually make another note that's like, how do I, no. So I started making this other thing that's like, oh, these are the rewards that you get from these dialogues. And I'm like, oh, imagine I can just click this and it brings me to this conversation. It's like, oh, there's like connections here. And, you know, it just feels like the connections reveal a mechanic, you know? Because of the connections, it's revealing a mechanic that to me was just like a loose thing in my head. I like Obsidian too. Yeah, Obsidian's great. Also, Justin, I got to give you a shout out. If you guys didn't know, Justin's working on a game too. I saw your YouTube. I saw your YouTube. It's very cool. Dinkum, My Time, Sandrock, Coral Island, Evergreen Valley may be helpful. Was Evergreen Valley good? It looked beautiful. It looked, I don't know, but it just looked like there was just one area. Were there multiple areas? Or is it just that one farm you're on? Thanks for checking out my YouTube. Yeah, of course. Those devlogs are a lot of work, a lot of editing, motion graphics. This one's long. Oof, this one's really long. It's okay. Some dialogue can be long. And then let me read Biggs' feedback. Biggs' feedback. The game stops when out of focus. That is normal. Mouse still affects camera movement in build when using a controller. So that's actually not true because oh, yeah. Okay. Actually, it is technically true. Still got to check out Coral Island myself. Haven't heard of Evergreen Valley yet. I'll have to check that one out as well. Yeah, it's a really pretty one. So here's the problem. Ooh, you know, I have a controller now. Do I have a free USB to plug it in? I haven't been able to test controller play in a long time because my controller is basically on the boat. Let's test the controller right now. Look at that. Oh man, I haven't played with a controller in so long. So here's what happens when you enter build mode. Okay, so I enter build mode, but then when you pick up the controller, it doesn't switch to controller mode. It actually stays in mouse mode. So that's the true bug. That's the true bug. How do I switch to mouse mode? Or how do I switch to controller mode? Mid build mode. Oh wait, that's funny. So I'm in controller mode, but it's still in mouse mode. This is stuck on the mouse. If I pause it and then unpause it and then go, okay, now I'm in controller mode. So the only thing that switches to controller mode is like moving around this this cursor. So what I really need to do is I need to switch to controller mode the second I touch the controller. Let's figure that one out. Let's figure that one out. I think all the controller bugs are really important for the demo. Her dream is good, just lost interest. We'll have to give it another chance. 12 feet up. How's it going? Thank you for the follow. Let's look at it for a sec. Not to get too distracted. Evergreen Valley. Is this the one I'm thinking of? Yeah. It's the kid on the farm. The kid on the farm, it's gorgeous. It's so lush. All these games are so lush. I feel like, and their trees are so nice. I hate my trees. I need to remake them. So colorful, so pretty. And characters are nice. They have some appeal. They all look the same. Nah, they're pretty different. I don't know. They're like my characters. They're all very different, but they kind of blend and look the same. I think it's a problem when all the body types are just the same. Oh, that's nice. They're all snapping hands together. That's amazing. That was cute. Now broadcasting. They've been broadcasting for 51 hours. That's quite the stream. It had me at alpaca. Story of Seasons. What's the latest Story of Seasons? Because Finsifty is always telling me to play the Doraemon version. Doraemon Story of Seasons. Wow, that one's $50. I mean, it's cute. It's really cute. It's PC only. Huh. Story of Seasons. Pioneers of Olive Town. This is the one I see all over Twitter. PC only. Oh, wow, I can't even play them. What about the other one? Dinkum. Can I play Dinkum? I can't play Dinkum either? Wow. Oh, look at that. They teamed up. They're buds. Whoa, my time in Porsche's with them too. What can I play? What the heck can I play? Let's see. Yeah, I'm on Mac. The Steam streams are generally fake and just bots, yeah. I was making a joke. What's another cozy game that I can look at? I don't know. All right. If anyone has suggestions on Mac-friendly cozy games. Wait, can I play? Let me just click the category. Farming sim. They'll probably all be farming sims. Let me guess. Dave the Diver counts as a farming sim? Huh? I guess so. It's got farming. Palia. I hear terrible things about Palia. Am I crazy? It has 7,000, almost 8,000 mostly positive reviews. I don't know why I keep hearing negative things. I've been hearing very good things about this, I think. Someone recommended this to me. Dinkum I can't play. Can I sort by Mac only? My Time at Porsche is a cute one. Yeah, I played that one. I did like it. I didn't get very far. I think I played it when I had COVID. $102? Love it. This is cute. Oh my god, that is quite the bundle. What? Oh, it's all the DLC. I didn't get very far either, but it was so involved. Yeah, it was pretty involved. Story Seasons on Switch. Oh, I have a Switch. I should just play it on Switch. But you got to look at the Switch store. Yeah, I'll play it on Switch. Rosem! Rosem, how's it going? All right. All right. I can't worry about this right now. I'm just going to do what I can do, and I'm going to start working on something right now. It's been 40 minutes, might as well. Might as well make something. Let's fix that bug that does. Let's make it so that we can switch to controller mode, and maybe we'll support other controllers. Maybe we'll support other controllers. Yo, just working day. How's your day going? My day is going all right. I'm enjoying the day actually. It's cozy here. Every time it rains, I love it. I usually have the windows open and I just listen to the rain while I work. We totally didn't go on a side quest just now. Yeah, I would just... Because I've just been feeling a little stuck on, especially the selection system. And I just need to, like, there's so many different kinds of selections that you could do. You know, there's the item you're holding. You can use the item you're holding, which affects something in front of you. You can use the item in front of you, which the item in front of you will accept, like, specific other things. Like, if it's an inventory and you use your item, it'll put the item in the inventory. If you're holding a pickaxe and there's a stone in front of you, it'll break the stone. If you're using an item on an NPC, it'll try and give the NPC that item. If you're just talking to that NPC, okay, that's pretty simple. But if you... What's another one? If you... Oh, right, if you hold down the button, like the talk button, it interacts with the object in a different way, like going to sleep in a bed, you hold down the button. Or bed, you can make a bed, so just like talking to the bed makes the bed. If you hold down the item button, it picks up the item. It doesn't use an item, it picks it up. So there's just like, it's crazy. I don't know how to manage it all. I've never really seen a good way to do it. I guess what I should have done is items should have had a list of the things that they can do. I populate that list and I assign a button. And then I show all the things that you can do with that item and the button next to it, and that's it. That's what I should have done. But I try to get fancy. I wish that happened in real life, or I could just talk to my bed and it makes it. My wife told me a silly fact that's that a trait that most wealthy people have is that they make the bed. They wake up early and they make their bed. And it's not like if you start doing that, you will become rich. It's just like a more common than not trait that rich people have, which I thought was interesting. So now sometimes she'll catch me making the bed and she's like, "What are you doing?" I'm like, "Nothing." Just making the bed like I normally do. Just a normal trait I have. You make your bed every morning. There you go. Okay, one bug. We're going to fix one little bug. So when you use the controller, what happens? Let's play the game. And then I go to the systems. Nope. Managers. Nope. Back to systems. Input system. There you are. So the input system. Where is it? Is it in UI? Okay. So here we go. Keyboard. Controller. It already knows. You can see them here. Event system in control. Event system nothing. That just basically means keyboard, controller. So I already know exactly which one I'm using. But the build manager doesn't switch. That's the thing. How do I switch? How do I switch? How does the build controller know? How do they build controller? Excuse me. Anyone else make their bed after naps for bed that night, or is it just me? I don't take naps under the blankets. If I take a nap, it has to be over the blanket because I'll get too cozy under the blanket. So it has to be an above the blanket nap or a couch nap. I don't know why. I can't nap, then I'll be more tired all day. And yeah, I'll only nap if I got like 5 hours or less of sleep the night before. I slept so late on Sunday. And by so late, I woke up at 8 o'clock. It was amazing. It was the first time the dog let me sleep until 8 o'clock in such a long time. All right, so update. Here we are. Interaction disabled. Okay, so basically input system if mouse controls, right? If we're using mouse controls, that's it. So here, I'm clicking around. We're using mouse controls. We're definitely using mouse controls. If I look at the build system, no, if I look at the input system, debug, is mouse, oh, because it's static. I actually can't see it. That's annoying. A nap when my insomnia means I only get 1 or 2 hours sleep the night before, but it has to be undercover. It's odd how our bodies just work differently. Wow. I do realize that sleeping without a blanket is way less comfortable, but I kind of like the naps to be way less comfortable. And I'm sorry that insomnia is a thing that you have. That is horrible. I can't imagine sleeping that little every night. So maybe I need to hunt this down and see where we switch. How does this switch? Mouse control. Okay. I throw an event. Here, look at that. Button controls detected. Button controls detected. Mouse controls detected. So unless I throw this event. Mouse controls equal false. Mouse controls equal true. It's possible I need to throw this event in here. Mouse controls detected. I do. The hell? Button controls detected. Oh, no, I don't. I only throw mouse controls detected. I don't throw button controls detected. Why? When you say throw event in here, I feel like you're literally throwing things in game and suddenly it switches. I mean, kind of. Throwing an event, throwing a party. A button control detected party. Mouse equals true. I don't do anything with this. Button party. Yeah. Pretty much. What if I do this? This might break the game. Let's see. Keyboard mouse pressed. Update keyboard input. Update controller input. So if we detect a controller, we immediately throw this event, right? Mouse controls detect. No. Button controls detected. Ooh, my computer's being very strange and slow. This might fix it. This might cause issues. Oh, that reminds me, is that bug that I currently have? Is that bug fix that I currently have? Wait, which one? The one where the main cutscene just freaks out and you're stuck, not animating? So that one, I think I need to do a thing that I basically delete all of the save files for you. So here, are you on a, Jay, are you on a Mac or a PC? And then I switch to controller. Look at that. We're fixed. And then if I go to here, we're still fixed until I click. We're back. Okay, cool. Done. I don't know what kind of crazy domino effect that's going to have on other stuff, but we fixed that. Controller button to mount bike didn't work. Let's see what the deal is there. You're on a PC? Okay, do me a favor. What is the Unity application data path PC? It's not application.data path. It is crap. I forget where it goes on PC. I only know where it goes on Mac. Basically, make a new save file. Make a brand new file. But keep the first one and see what happens. I would also try uninstalling and reinstalling from scratch. Wait, what did I just do? What did I just do? Oh, right. Controller button to mount bike didn't work. Let's see that one. Yeah, the second coffee thing. Super hyper, super buzz, but can't focus. Can't remember what I'm doing. Not good. That worked. I think it's because, okay, when he was on a different controller, it didn't say X, it said, or he wasn't using a PlayStation controller, so it said X, and he was probably trying to hit X on his Xbox controller, which doesn't do anything. So here's the thing. Do I want to continue this like X, like showing the right button? Or do I want to do the alternative way and just show like, I can show, what is it? Switch. I can show like this, you know? I can do this, one of these, where it's just like the bottom button, the left button. It would make my life way easier, but I feel like it would be way higher quality if it showed you the right image, you know? I wonder how other games do it. I mean, I have a way, I just don't know. I just don't have other controllers to test. I need to get a Steam Deck and I need to get an Xbox controller, and I feel like that will be probably 90% of all test cases. Universal buttons would be easier, but I'd prefer the actual console buttons. Yeah, me too. Should be in Steam Apps Common, and then click on the folder for the game you need. That's where the log files. Oh, I had no idea. Thank you. We don't need the right image. Just give us images of ducks or porcupines instead. uh, you know what I'll do right now? If it's not a PlayStation controller, it's probably ABXY. Isn't it always ABXY? Are there any controllers that aren't ABXY? Common controller button layouts. ABXY. Are there any that aren't like this? Oh, the Switch uses YX. BAYX. Ugh, annoying. I wonder if my controller plugin allows me to actually get the name of the button. Let me see that. Let me see that. In control, get name of button on controller. How do you find the name of the controller on button? No. Standardized controls. I mean, yeah. Let's try some stuff. I think I want to, okay, I think this is what I want to focus on today. I want to focus on getting the right controller prompts to show up. And I also want to work on the bottom right of most screens, I have, you know, prompts that teach you how to play. These things. I want to add a button. I want to add a checkbox like in the settings that you can toggle this off. And I also want to make this better because they're not great. I think that's what I want to do today. So let me write that down so I don't forget. Today's agenda. We want to get other controller buttons working properly. Make the button alert panel optional and toggleable. And I think I need to do a pass in every player controller to register the correct buttons because I haven't changed those in so long. Okay. If I can do these three things, I'll feel good. First things first, I want to see if I can get the button's name. Because if I can get the button's name, like if I can get the controller and then it tells me this is A, that'll go a long way. Because then maybe I can do some sleuthing to see what controller it is. All right. So let's go into my input controller. Let's close everything. Let's get it nice and clean. All right, input system. Start update. Active device. So I already get the active device. I have so many things in front of me. Print. Active device. Dot name. No, dot. So what do I got here? I got a lot of stuff. Active device dot Controls, device class, device style. I think it's this. Device class. So device class. No. So these are the different classes of device. Keyboard, mouse, controller. Guitar, dance pad, drum kit. I don't need to know about the class. What's device style? Here we go. Here we go. I can check for this. I can check for PlayStation 2, 3, 4, 5, Vita or Move. I can check for this. Okay. Remember this? Remember this stupid thing? Oh yeah. Steam. Is that Steam Deck or what is that? NVIDIA Shield, Nintendo's Stadia. Is Google Stadia shut down yet? Justin, thank you for the lurk. 1 hour later, you have a plan. I know. I'm never drinking the second coffee ever again. Oculus and Vive we can ignore. And then here's all the Nintendos. So these are the things that I can get. And then there's unknown. A lot are going to be unknown. Print device. Device style. Let's get a little more data than that. Style. What else do I want? Active device dot action one dot. Does this have a name? Let's go to action one. What is an action? It's an input control. What do they have? They have a handle. Depreciate and replace with name. Are you... It's a to-do? Wait, there's a to-do? Input control handle. Let's check out what handle is. That might be exactly what I need. Action one dot handle. And this should just be like X. Maybe. If this comes back as PlayStation 4 controller X, we're golden. I don't even care what controller it is anymore. I could just like check for button name and then plop a circle with the right graphic. So keyboard is unknown and none. Controller, PlayStation 4 cross. Get the funk out of here. That's funkin' awesome. Cross. This makes me want to rewrite my whole system for images because because then it's like per button. I can assign an image per button and not really worry about what controller it is. So how is this set? I need to know how this is set. Handle, protected set. So who sets it? Input control handle. So it looks like on creation. So who makes these? Oh God. Oh, that's not so bad. Here we go, input device. Control type handle. How do we get handle? Add control. Oh God. Oh, it's manual. Interesting. iCade device, input device. So here we go, left stick Y, right? Add alias controls. Left stick Y, right stick X, right stick Y, D-pad X, D-pad Y. Unity PS4. So where... That's amazing. So, oh, it looks like the different devices have different classes that define them. So Input device. Where are the buttons? Like, who says cross? Cross. Name cross. Look at that. But I only want an in control. Oh, now everything's called cross. So what are these things? These are PlayStation 4, Windows, Chrome Unity profile. PlayStation 4 controller on Windows Chrome. Really? There needs to be a whole script per deliverable? So where are these files? PlayStation. I can just see how many files there are and see what all the buttons are called. So we'll go here, close. Okay, it looks like there's a Nintendo, PlayStation. Wait, oh, this is WebGL specifically. So device profiles. Here we go. So I'll just go to Mac. Mac and Windows should be very similar. Oh my God. So here's all the different controller profiles. We have PS3, 4, 4, 4, Xbox. No PS5, but it works. I used the PS5 one. Works fine. So if I go to Xbox 360 Mac Unity profile, what does it call its buttons? A, B, X, Y. Maybe I have a backup. So when it's Xbox, Nintendo, or PlayStation, or Steam, like a Steam Deck, yeah, Steam Deck, that's what they're called. In those instances, I can just like presets. But maybe I have a backup system that's like check the name, put in a graphic. Cross, circle, square, triangle. L1, R1, L2, R2. Yeah. Okay. Let's do it. So input system. Where do I set the schema? Where do I set it? I'm not sure. Schemas. Current schema. So here we go. I literally set it. Right, so 0 is keyboard, 1 is PlayStation, right? Let's just confirm. I don't love this system. I have to get it dynamically. I can't just grab it. I can't just set it manually like that. So input system, schemas. I got keyboard, PlayStation. I already have these. PlayStation, Steam Deck, Switch, and Xbox. Look at that. So all I need to do is, instead of hard coding the index, I just need to check like what controller it is. Figure out if it's one of these. And honestly, if it's none of these, it's probably just the same as Xbox, right? Like, what is a Logitech controller? Logitech gamepad. Like, what is it? Is it ABXY or is it BAX? It's ABXY, and that's Xbox, right? Because Nintendo is BAYX. Is it safe to assume that like every single one of these is going to be like Xbox? It might not be safe, but I'm going to do it. Is this specific to Xbox? These colors? It looks pretty generic, actually. So I'm going to fall back to Xbox unless I find Nintendo, Steam, or PlayStation. Switch and Steam are the same, except, oh, right, it's what they call the buttons. ZR, ZL, L1, R1, R2, L2. All right, we got this. We got this. We got this. I just wish I had another controller to test. So if we detect keyboard, we switch. If we detect PlayStation, or if we detect a controller, if it doesn't equal 1, well, first we need to figure out what it is, right? So gamepad events set active. We need to figure out what gamepad we're using. Detect gamepad. Style. Switch case. The case is active device dot style, right? Case. Ugh. I could do this. Oh wait, private noth void. Show potential fixes, please. Right? No. Right click. Actions and quick refactoring. Add missing cases. Oof. Wasn't so bad. So Vive and Oculus will never exist. Wink. Maybe. Google Stadia? I don't know. I'll keep it in there. Apple MFi? No. Oh yeah? No. PlayStation Move? No. PlayStation Vita? No. Unknown? Yes. Steam? Not releasing for, oh yeah, not right now. Munez. How's it going, Munez? Do you have one? Raise your hand if you bought one of those. Raise it high. PlayStation 2 definitely. Well, that's the thing. It's not these aren't the different consoles or platforms. These are the controllers. So it's possible you can use a PlayStation 2 controller? No, you can't. It's impossible to use a PlayStation 2 controller. But PlayStation 3 can use a PlayStation 3 controller? I'll leave it in there just in case. Can you use an NES controller? Probably none of these, right? Switch is going to be the only one supported. You can use a PS3? Use an NES and SNES controller with an adapter. Well, I guess I'm going to undo that. Jeez, thanks for letting me know. Honestly, I'm going to put PS2 back in there just in case. Xbox. So, which ones are which? I can just, so here I can manually set it. Here I can manually set it. So I'm trying to really focus on the user experience before the demo release, and getting the right button prompts is very important. Because Beegs was playing on his like Xbox controller or whatever, and it was showing PlayStation button prompts, and all hell broke loose. He had no idea what he was doing. My fault, not his. So 0 equals keyboard. 1 equals PlayStation. 2 equals Steam Deck. 3 equals Switch. Nintendo. 4 equals Xbox. And here we set it. Oh, maybe I just return an int. Return int. No. I should return this. I guess I should return the schema. I can't say schema without saying schema. See? Something about it. I just can't not do it. Jay, welcome back. Input schema. Images. So here we're gonna return Xbox. Oh, you know what? Just make an enum, you moron. Look at this. I'm gonna just turn this summary into the public schema image type. Ridiculous. This is ridiculous. Oh wait, it needs to be keyboard equals. Great. So now I can return schemas Xbox. Schema images type Xbox. Ah, why just two ints? Really? Really? You're gonna make me do a thing? That's definitely not what. Is it just this? So this is Xbox. This is Xbox. This is Xbox. We're gonna default return Xbox. Not all code pass return a value. I know, chill. If we somehow don't even get out of here, we'll return Xbox. Oh, sorry. My wife just sent this to me. Want to go there. Hot dog. That looks like that's a good looking hot dog. I love how my personal life sometimes leaks into the stream. Because she texts me right off screen. Hot dog? Yeah. Oh, poor doggy. She tried to scratch through the cone. So PlayStation, this is going to return PlayStation. And this can just be Switch, or this can just be Nintendo. Return PlayStation, return PlayStation, return PlayStation. This will be Steam. NVIDIA Shield. What do the NVIDIA Shields look like? NVIDIA Shield. It's probably Xbox. A, B, X, Y. Yeah, that's Xbox. Nintendo. Although the Wii and the Wii U are definitely not the case. Oh, and the Switch is complicated because you can flip the freaking thing. Ah, crap. Wait a minute. Okay, for the Switch, I can't use these. I gotta use the generic ones. Yeah, look at that. They knew. I'm gonna use these generic ones. So this is code you're doing. When a controller has been connected, it'll automatically pick the right button image exactly. Dog. Oh my god, the dog is swiping at my foot right now to be fed. It is 45 minutes before you're supposed to eat. She's giving me the saddest, most cataracts-filled eyes. Sorry, doggy. Can't eat right now. Because if you flip a Switch controller... Oh, shit. No, I can't support half controllers. I have to... Because I have R2 and L2. So when you only have half a controller... Okay, I can leave this. I can leave this. Are there colored versions? The Switch controller doesn't have colored buttons. Yeah, so I guess I'll leave these. All right, we're good. We're good. No reason to panic. Don't panic. Google Stadia. I doubt we'll ever make it to that, but... What are your buttons called? It's probably Xbox. A, B, X, Y, yep. My dog has not long woken up but decided he wanted to go back to sleep. That's what dogs do all day. They just sleep. Except when they want to eat. Okay, so now Google Stadia is going to return Xbox. Great. So now this covers a lot. So detect gamepad style. And what I should do is now, instead of if current schema equals, if current schema does not equal the one we detect, then set it to the one we detect, right? You might be asking me, why don't you just set it to the one you detect every frame? Because I only want to throw this event the first time we switch, right? Yeah. Because when we throw this event, that tells everything in the game, hey, we switched controllers. Do your thing. Update, whatever. Do whatever you need to do. This does not need to be thrown. Okay. I think that's it. I have no way to test this. Does anybody out there have multiple controllers that also has an alpha key? I do have a PlayStation 5 controller, and what I can do is just... I can set this to like Xbox and see if it switches. That's what I'll do. Let me go get my PlayStation 5 controller. All right. Now, how does this plug in? I thought I had Bluetooth enabled on it. Ah, it just turned my PlayStation on in the other room. No, don't do that. Oh, shit. Adam! Have a good stream. Thank you for the raid, Adam. Thank you so much for the raid. Shout out to Adam. For all of you who were here before, make sure you follow Adam. He's an expert and a master at what he does. And to the raiders, welcome in. My name is Andrew. Working on a cozy game called Alpine Lake. It's a innkeeper sim, life sim game. And Adam, I was playing Insignia today. I let you know a couple days ago on your stream that your demo wasn't working for Mac, that a big purple screen popped up. And then I'm like, you know what, let me try it again, because I was deleting stuff in my downloads folder. So I'm like, let me try it again. And I just kind of smashed the Z button and I got through to the actual demo, and I played it for a while today. It's freaking awesome. Everyone make sure to check out Adam. Not Shalovic, hello again, welcome in. Casted at is. Casted at us. How's it going? Thank you for the follow. Let's show the trailer. This is what we're working on. So yeah, it's a little like Stardew. It's a little like The Sims. running in, you farm a little, you cook, guests come, you take care of them. You remember that game? You made Adam play it? Yeah, I made Adam play it. There's actually a few notes. There's a few notes I've been meaning to hit from Adam's playthrough. I might take a second look at those notes, because right now I'm going through notes, trying to get the demo ready. And there's the wish list link if anyone would like to do me a favor and wish list it. Be greatly appreciated. Yeah, welcome in everybody. How y'all doing? How are you all doing? Let's get the music going. Let's actually switch the music up a bit. So I had 2 cups of coffee today, and I am wired, which means I have a lot of energy, but I can't focus. Coffee does not help focus. It only gives you unnecessary energy. Seriously, Jay. And sorry for the ads. All right, so when you all came in, I was testing controller button image prompts. And I can't connect my PlayStation 5 controller to my Mac, but what I can do is basically switch between Steam. I'll just switch between a random one when I go to keyboard. That's what I'll do. So instead of switching to keyboard, well, let me just see if PlayStation works. Let's just start there. Also, sorry for those ads. All right, so I'm using keyboard. It's showing me button prompts. If I switch to the PlayStation controller, it switched to... Hey, it switched to it properly. That's good. And if I switch back to keyboard, switch back to keyboard. That's good. Yeah, there's no way for me to test whether or not other controllers are going to work. I'm just going to cross my fingers and pray, right? Oh, also, someone had a bug where when they pegged the controller to run at full speed, it would jitter a lot. And you know what? I'm seeing some jitter here. I wonder what that is. I think it's the game saving itself over and over again. But that's not on the agenda today. We're trying to stick to the agenda. Because get controller buttons working properly. I think they are. I think that shit's gonna work. All right, make button alert panel optional and toggleable. So someone mentioned that the screen is getting a little cluttered with all the stuff on it. And I want you to be able to toggle. Oh my God, doggy. I'm getting beat up by my dog because she's hungry. Oh, that's why it's going so slow. It's the stupid update, stupid print and update. Amadio, how's it going? Yeah, welcome in. Are you making a game? I'm also a game dev. Yeah, welcome in. Welcome in, fellow game dev. Yeah, we're making a game here. What kind of game are you making? We are making a life sim, innkeeper sim. Big Ambitions has a feature where it'll autosave every 5 minutes, but only 5 times maximum throughout the play session. Ninja Codes, how's it going? 5 minutes. That doesn't seem like enough. But I think this saves every 3 seconds, which is way too often. All right, so maybe I'll just adjust that. I know it's getting distracted, but save system. 3 seconds is way too often. I had it set at 3 seconds originally because I wanted you to be able to turn on the game and come right back to where you were, but that's impossible. I made a small fighting game called Strikers on Steam. Working on a new game now, that roguelike shooter point and click adventure. Nice. Hoka Life has an autosave feature that triggers every time you enter a new zone. So I have the same thing, but I'm just really nervous. Oh my god. Okay. Augie, how's it going? Thank you for the raid. How you doing? Shout out to Augie. Augie, are you tired? How was your stream? Everyone, if you don't know Augie, Augie is working on a wonderfully adorable Onibi Steam. A wonderfully adorable ghost simulator. But not really. You're a cute ghost. And you have to possess different characters and solve puzzles. And it's really adorable. And it's gorgeous. Make sure to follow Augie. And wishlist. I need to get you a command. Okay, yeah. Jay, you haven't seen Augie's game? Yeah, it's adorable. Wishlist now. Yeah, everyone wishlist Augie's game. And while you're on Steam, you can wishlist mine. So where the hell is this 3-second timer that I have? I don't even know. 3? Did I get rid of it? Maybe I throw an event. Maybe I throw a save game event. Amadeus, is Strikers your game? Or are you a real fan of Mario Strikers that's coming to Steam? This is the most ridiculous track.